Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. What? What's wrong? What is wrong? Bro. What is wrong? Oh man, I need a domain. Did I just delete the console tab? What am I doing? Where's my console tab? Where's my console tab? Did I just delete it? Did I delete my console tab? That's weird. Stop. Oh my God. How do you make this darn toolbar stick in one place? Because my goodness. That's just unnecessarily dumb. Okay. Thought I copied it. All right, where are we? So listen. So listen, I need a test user to put into the Google console. for my app. Do I want to bother with it right now? While published status is set to testing, only test users are able to access the app. Allowed user cap prior to app verification is 100 and is counted over the entire lifetime of the app. Can I just skip this step? I can just skip the step. Never mind. Never mind. All right, what I need now, I know y'all can't see what I'm doing. It's because there's a lot of private info on the screen. So you get ambiance. That's what you get. Let me just get through this part real quick. I need to get my client ID and my client secret. Hope you're all doing all right on this wonderful, wonderful Sunday morning, Easter morning, aka Resurrection Sunday. Oh man, what am I looking for? I'm looking for my what? Client ID and client secret. All right, where the heck is that? Ooh, not there.
Welcome back.
Oh, snap. Okay, so you all are watching me. Hey, casual economists, just go to the site. Y'all ask questions you can find out for yourself so easily, and I don't mean to be mean. Just go to the site. It's safe. It's someone I trust. His name is Dwayne. He's a developer advocate at Vonage. Most Sundays he does this coding thing, and there actually are tutorials. But it's the purpose of it is to code together.
So, welcome back.
There he is. Listen to him.
That's what I forgot to do last time. I don't know when there was off.
Very, very smart guy.
Welcome back to Untitled.works. Hopefully that last work session was a productive one for you. I am almost done with the post radio show promo stuff. I think I have like one more account on, which one is it? Instagram to post to. And I should be done and be able to get back to the stuff I really want to get working on. All right. So hey, Lawrence, what's going on? So how made any progress so far on that project? You know what I'm saying? How far along are you on it? Curious. Let me know. All right. So while we're doing that, I don't know how many people are in here. I don't keep track of those things. This is kind of like if you want to do it, you can. I'm not tracking that stuff. I don't care. Just like I said, this is a lot of stuff is for me. You know what I'm saying? Like so I hold myself accountable to do these things. So I mean, if other people do it, cool. If not, cool. Okay. All right. Making some headway, nice. Hey, little step. That for me, that's what helps me to be able to do stuff just little by little. You know what I'm saying? Just breaking down the huge thing into small things. You know what I mean? And speaking of small things, let's talk about. I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Like, as long as you get something out of it, that's cool. You know what I'm saying? Like, as long as you get something out of it, I'm not really interested. Yeah, not really, because I don't want to explain the site really again, because I did that before. Kind of like, time chunk these things. But it's basically, it's like if you're going to like a library, you know what I'm saying? You go to a library because you know other people are like working on stuff. So that it kind of like it's like a place you go to work on things. So you kind of go and focus, because that's like a place where you go to focus on work on things. That's kind of like what this is. You know what I mean? And so it's kind of like, it's a place where you go and work on something, focus, and then there's a break time, and you focus and work on stuff, and there's a break time. That's pretty much what it is. So, yeah. All right. Real quick. So I want to talk about this Kickstarter that I just backed, right? But you know me, I want to have like a story to lead up into it. So folks may or may not know that I'm kind of into web components, right? And let me share which one. Probably got to share a bunch of tabs. It's fine. And so I get to do web components for work. And one of the things I'm building are like little web components to help you create video calls, video chats a lot easier. And it's almost basically just placing like, it's almost like an HTML element into your code, a little bit of JavaScript, you tell it what session you're trying to join, and you're in it. You know what I'm saying? And just by placing HTML elements, you don't have to worry about all the behind the scenes stuff because we handle that for you. That's what we do, right? And so web components have offered me opportunity to be able to talk to folks all over the place, right? So this is like my workshop site, and so this is some of the past ones, and so I've been able to give talks and workshops in like Copenhagen. The Lagos was virtual, but I'm hoping to actually be there in person at some point. Berlin, New Delhi. New Delhi one was super dope, you know what I'm saying? Like, I had a good time there, so that was great. I also got to give a chance to talk there about web components at the 7-Eleven headquarters in Bengaluru, if I remember, that's where it was, yeah. And they actually gave me like this elephant thing, which is pretty dope, so shouts to them. All right, but I got back to what I was saying. All right, so, and you see like Sao Paulo, Brazil. So I got to go to a bunch of different places, right? And doing research for my talks and things, I came across the homie Corey LaVisca, right? And if you're not familiar with Corey LaVisca, he created Shoelace Style. And so Corey, super cool guy. You know what I mean? He actually gave me like a quote for my talks, right? And so I mentioned him in my talks. Now you can see here, this is an actual slide. And so I shout out Shoelace Styles. And the reason why is because Shoelace Styles is a super dope set of web components that you can just plug into your application, right? And so Shoelace Style, so hold on, let me, going to copy and paste the link to Corey's Twitter so that in a recording video, you can always check it out, give him a shout out. And then also, here is shoelace.style, his site. I'm gonna copy and paste that also into the chat there. Cool. So, and it's a bunch of, like you said, a forward-thinking library of web components. All right. And what I like about Corey is that even though React didn't really have full support for web components back then, it does now in 19, from what I understand. I haven't played around with it, but from what I understand, full support now in React. He actually took the time to create like a whole set of these components specifically for React. And I was like, that's a lot of work. I wouldn't do it, but I'm happy you did it. You know what I'm saying? So cool. I'm not doing that, but I'm glad you did it. And so he has a lot of set of dope components. The one I use a lot is the QR code generator one. And so you get this by posting where, yes, I know he has source. Here we go, source. So right here, so you just put in SL QR code, the value is the website, and then you put like a label on it, and then it generates this for you. I use that a lot in my workshops and slides, you know what I mean? So super useful. Now, what's cool, all his hard work has paid off because Shoelace Style became a part of Font Awesome. So his side project turned into like a job. He was working already, you know what I'm saying, at a job while doing Shoelace Style on the side. And then he got the opportunity to work full time on Shoelace with Font Awesome. So shouts to the folks at Font Awesome for helping make that happen. So all that culminated. Also, if you're not sure, if you're not familiar with Font Awesome, it's a super big place. Like it says, take the hassle out of icons in your website. So they have all these. This is a funny video. I would check that out if you could. That's kind of cool. And so some of the things you can do. So they have like over 30,000 icons. You can do it all in one line of code. Pretty dope. They have you see all the different emoji, fruit and vegetables, alphabet, maritime, science fiction, even much other stuff. And they have different styles. So solid, regular, light, thin, duotone, sharp, regular, light, thin, brands. Hey, shouts to Lawrence. I think I saw Vaden on here also. So shouts to that. And so basically, so if you have like this icon here, you just do I for the class, there's some determining stuff for the class to say which one it is, and you have a style. What's cool is that you can, this is what I didn't see before, you can animate them. And so if you want to animate, so like beat. So you just put the thing here to say which one you want, and then FA beat, and it does it for you. Super dope. All right, so shouts to them. Let's see. Oh, the Beatles use it? That's pretty dope. All right, sidetrack. Now, all that culmination of Font Awesome allowing Corey to work on shoelace style has culminated into Web Awesome. So Web Components, Font Awesome, Web Awesome. Cool. Now, I kind of wanted to take a look at, so this is the Kickstarter they're doing. And so, like it says here, build better with Web Awesome. The open source library of web components from Font Awesome, and you can upgrade the Pro and ship websites faster. So I figured to take a look at the promo video, and if you, it's a wild promo video too. Like, it seems like Font Awesome, they do some wild stuff. And so, if this gets you hyped, maybe you also want to join. And so you can see, their pledge initially was $30,000. They're over $250,000, $261,000 so far. I mean, kind of amazing, cool stuff to see people backing it, and it's with 2,800 backers. All right, there's 25 days left to go. So, all right, so I figured my little thing here, maybe spread the word about it. All right, so let's watch this video. Again, it's wild, so it's well done, and we'll talk about it. Here we go.
We've been a great team, but it's just not working out. He designs things from scratch every single time, and it's just too slow.
Slow? Okay, you tried creating a beautiful and visually cohesive design system that embodies the soul of our company. You're not perfect yourself, you know. I've seen you spend weeks learning new JavaScript frameworks. Remember Backbone?
Your mom remembers Backbone.
Tom, Meg, my sweet peaches. This is a tale as old as time. But the beautiful thing about time is, times change. And we change with them! Meg, what if I told you that with Web Awesome, there was a way to have the best of both worlds?
What's Web Awesome?
Web Awesome is the fancy pants new name for Shoelace, the most popular open source library of web components. But now with more awesome.
So are you saying we get speed and customizability?
Tom, you can even start writing human readable HTML again.
That's impossible!
You can have your cake and eat it too. And heck, if you want the cherry on top, we can finally do all this using just web standards.
No JavaScript frameworks required.
But we're flawlessly with them all. Walk with me. Since the dawn of time, we have suffered between the two pillars of decision when building websites: customizability or speed. Do you want something custom, built from the ground up? Something that will cost you hundreds of precious hours and end up being fragile and scary to touch? Or do you want something quick and pre-built that saves you the time, but ends up looking like a basic cookie-cutter preset? Done, but not awesome. With Web Awesome, you can say goodbye to the old ways. And hello to the new. Here at Web Awesome, we have the biggest and best open source library of web components in existence. You just put them anywhere and they work. Like magic. But that's not enough, you say?
I didn't say anything.
You want more?
It's already a lot.
Well, that's why we're announcing improvements to every single web component in Web Awesome. Yeah!
Please stop doing that.
We planned that. Components are now easier to think and are fully vetted for performance and accessibility. Drop them in any website and they'll just work. And like Font Awesome before it, Web Awesome is and always will be free and open source. Thank you, but no thank you. And speaking of Font Awesome, by popular demand, it will now be the default icon set.
Did someone say Font Awesome? It's just a line of code on your site.
Whoa, now, I know that Font Awesome and Web Awesome are two great tastes, taste great together, but this is our video.
Color me embarrassed.
we ain't done yet. If you'd like to really level up your game, I'd like to introduce you to WebAwesome Pro. The design system platform that makes it easy to ship websites, projects, and apps faster. With WebAwesome Pro, you get customizable themes that practically design themselves. And responsive layout engine for mobile, desktop, and everything in between. We'll also help you set your logo, fonts, icons, and from a single color. We'll help you generate your own fully accessible, fully unique color palette. Ooh, that's nice. So, back the WebAwesome Kickstarter and get all of this, plus a handcrafted pattern library and posted theme documentation to copy and paste. All this means you and your team save hundreds of hours and ship way faster.
All the years we've wasted. I could have started a family.
You still can.
Actually, you probably can't.
Oh. Well, now there's a better way, a smarter way.
We'll take it.
All of it. May you live to be 1,000 years old.
It's way too long.
It is. And our stretch goals mean that everyone wins. From more components in WebAwesome Free to more styles, themes, and components in WebAwesome Pro, you're helping make the web a better place. So, please support and thank you for putting the awesome in WebAwesome.
So yeah, shouts to them. And I upped my thing because they were doing the Running Man, so that's cool. So but yeah, so they have all these different perks and things that you can add on to it and stretch. So I'll put a link to it in the chat, and the recorded video will have it also, so you can check it out for yourself. And with that, I'm gonna get y'all back to work. So again, thanks for hanging out. We'll see you 15 minutes after the hour. Till then, I wish you much productivity. And here's a song to go ahead and take y'all out with. All right, so this right here is, so have you used web components? Let me know in the chat room /forum. What am I talking about? That's a radio show. Oh, it's still early. All right, but let me know if it's something cool that you like. You know what I'm saying? You thinking about. I mean, shout out to Lawrence. Yeah, that is pretty hilarious. So again, check it out. Spread the word if you think it's cool. And I'm gonna send you all back to work. Again, thanks for hanging out. This right here is Anthony Cruz, aka what am I doing? Anthony Cruz, aka A Butter. The track is called Thank You. Thanks again, Lawrence. I hope you make a whole bunch of progress more on your project. And again, let me know if you need anything. Thanks again. Y'all be easy. Peace.
I wanna say thank you. But a brother was down and I feel so strong. And I wanna say thank you for being there. When a brother had nowhere to turn to.
Bro, what the heck? No, I don't want to create it. It should already be there. At enable auth to client. This is the part that's not fun. Of course it's not. Can I just get, I'll take all of it if I have to. Can I get all of it? Oh, you turned his music off? Alright, so right now we're still adding OAuth. I'll give you all your music back. We'll rewind the tape. What? Ay, 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 ay. Oh, auth 2. done this before. Crap.
future of your business is here. With Wix, you get advanced AI capabilities for more customization, more time, and more growth. Speed up your website copy with an AI text generator that delivers a consistent brand voice to every corner of your site. Unlimited unique visuals enhance every piece of content you create. Instantly transform any idea into an image right from the comfort of your platform. And win back hours of hard work with AI-powered
Spring Framework Security.
More conversions,
Spring
less hassle.
Security.
Smart benchmarks show you exactly what you stand
OAuth
in the
2
market.
client.
See what's working and what needs work.
That is in there.
Quickly spot your next
I
opportunity.
already
to
synced
take
it.
your business where you want to go. Oh, and we're just getting started. Go to Wix.com and make it happen.
Essentials by Ashley Sleep.
fucking smooth.